A warm welcome to a short jump start on Java, a part of Tech Boss program from me, Thangu, to help you master the tech basics. This is based on many of my past actual paid trainings, and you learn over 100 plus technologies. You get the confidence to be your own boss with the power of technology through the branding secrets also that I'll be sharing. So before I move on, I've created a lot of content, and so here is one testimonial. Many say that you have great content that helped me loads. And I really thank all the subscribers of the YouTube channel, like Narapat and many others who are supporting me. And I would just post in the topics you need. I would love to help you keep updated in technology. So, what is Java? Java is a programming language and platform. It was started by James Gosling, first a part of Sun Microsystems in 1995, and later it was acquired by Oracle. So any Java program ends with .java. So I put airline because I'm going to show you the demo of a sample Java airline application. So why Java? Java is very simple. It works on different platforms, very secure, and it's free. Of course, I've worked on various technologies, and in the market, there is a huge demand for Java because it's open source and free. And it's heavily useful for desktop web applications, internet games applications, and most importantly, mobile applications. Now, where is it used? It is used by big organizations like Amazon, Uber, Netflix, Google, ICICI, Indian Railways, and many more. So, what are the benefits of Java? It helps you to build secure applications. You can convert your idea to a stable applications. And of course, once you acquire the skill, you can work from home. And let me tell you, this has the highest demand in the market. I'm literally forced to do a video on Java because in the market I get probably hundreds to thousands of requests and 60% or 70% are on Java. It's there is more demand for Java than anything else currently for India. And of course, we have other requests for AI and machine learning, which is very less compared to Java and .NET. Uh, what are the types of applications you can do? Web application, game, machine learning, AI, GUI, and many more types of applications. Now today we will just look at a simple application which I think I'll just like to show the drawing application and a little web application. So if you look at Java, it's a object-based language. So you have to import the necessary libraries. So using the import keyword. So here we are importing javax.swing, java.awt to help start drawing. And then the class name. So you should have a proper class name planned for your project or for your company or for your brand. So here I'm just using TechBoss JavaStar because now I'm just planning to launch many under TechBoss. So one is Java. So here I'm using the star application because I'm going to simply draw a star. And here we are going to, and it's extending the JFrame class. So and public void main. And of course you would have definitely heard of the main. So Java is similar to C program where you have to definitely have a main function. And this particular file name and this class name should be same. And look at this. So you don't need to worry about the exact thing. So here I'm just, they have the X and Y coordinates and I'm just drawing a star using the X and Y coordinates using the gr.draw polygon function. So this is a very heavy class-based programming, object-based programming language. So you have a class name and inside that you have a function, you should have a main function. So inside the main function, we are calling the, this is the class and we are just starting a new star and we're going to set the size and of the form and make it visible. So this is let's say this is a simple Java program. Now we are going to run it. So how do we actually run it? Let's go here 1 second. So just have to first compile it. Okay. So Java C tech pause Java star.java. So first you need to compile the program. So once it's compiled, what happens? You have a tech pause Java star.class. So I'm just going to start the program using Java tech pause Java star. See, and now it has really drawn the star from the code itself. Of course, in real world, you'll have many more applications. You have to just use the power of your imagination and start coding. You can use the power of coding to be very creative, to do art, or to solve the real world problems with web applications, or you can have a new idea and start your own startup. That is called gamification. Now, recently we have AI and blockchain. So one more demo we'll see. And so this is a huge airline application. Okay. So that's already running in the back now. And so this particular application, so it's actually a few lines of code and it's not very complex. It is just showing the economic and business class. So if it's economic, business, what is the source and destination, the price and the time. So these are the domestic flights, international flights, and what is the price and time. And if you want to do domestic flight booking, and you have domestic flight booking, and if it's international flight booking, it's an international flight booking. So this is like a robust Java application. And initially you also have a login screen where you can log in and then start. So this is like a real world application. So if you go back in time, what I've observed is I've been coding in from the 1990s. So what I've observed is it was very simple long back. And nowadays, when I see the framework and all, it's so complex, it's not needed. So we can cut down many things so that it's efficient. And I really like this particular code I saw because it is very efficient and very few lines of code and it does what it's supposed to do. So the booking process is very simple too and also secure and robust and it's very, I really like this. So that's why I'm choosing an older application for demo. So this is like a real world application and you can extend this to your idea. It may be a railway booking, even the real world Indian railways are using Java in the back, I think. And because one of the page had a Java error, so they are using Java. So it's very robust, secure, simple. And Java is also easy to learn. And there are many more features. So these are the two simple demos. Okay. So let's go back and understand the best practices. So keep it simple. So that's what I keep repetitively saying again and again because after looking at thousands of applications and repetitive applications I come across even now. So even a recent airline application, a huge airline application, they came to me and asked for help and the problem was efficiency, the performance, the scalability. So keep it simple so that in the long term you don't face any performance issues. So the performance matters, keep it simple, efficient. So if you go to the algorithm level, keep it order of one and that's the best, but it can be more, but keep it very simple and efficient and to be frank, let the requirement be simple. So when I come to the business level, if the requirement is complex, try to break it down and remove the unnecessary things and keep the requirement simple. And also you have the image of coffee here. So I would recommend that you don't have coffee or tea when you are coding. So of course I was also when I was developing, especially in the corporate culture, there was so much of pressure and I used to have a lot of tea. It's not a good habit at all for your health case. Just stop at too much coffee. Probably once or twice is okay, but have uh, good health drinks like lemon juice or even recently something like a basera pudinir or so many ayurvedic drinks are there. So keep yourself hydrated with good clean water and take care of your health too while coding. So we saw some demo and coming to the future. So in the future, of course, it's going to be more easier and more AI, IoT, blockchain, gamification is going to happen and there is Java is so popular now. As of now, Java is very popular in the market because it's an open source and many enterprise applications are already running in Java. It is a simple, secure, and it's platform independent. And if you think of the mobile applications, it's all running on Java. So Java will continue to stay. And but it's your personal choice. Of course, I'll be talking about many more programming languages. I think you already heard about Python and many more programming like PHP is my personal favorite. And many more programming languages are there. You have C Sharp and new upcoming languages like Kotlin, many new terms. Even I can create my own language. They keep coming and going, but the concepts are the same. So coming to the concepts, so for as of any programming language, you can understand what is Java, then you learn why is Java, then you have to learn how to install. I recommend that you learn just by typing in Notepad, as you saw, just Java C compile. You have to set the class path, sorry, the Java installation path, and just learn to code like that in Notepad, and you're really powerful coder. Of course, you have different IDEs that we will see, Eclipse and Visual Studio Code, we can test. And we can see what is data. The various variable types, array list, hash map, and the various logical operations like arithmetical, logical loops, functions, and also a simple web application. So any programming languages, these are the basic things that keep repetitively coming. So you have to creatively code your own applications once you learn the concepts. So of course, as a part of Thangu Academy, I have a lot of trainers coming in, high class trainers. So you can just go to thangu.com/TTA. You can get instant online course, or you can get an exclusive course for which there is high demand, where you specify the topics you want, and in 30 days the videos will be given. Or a group coaching of minimum 10, where crash course or a 10-day or 21-day or custom 30-day or 90-day. In the market, I can see that there are a lot of corporate training programs coming in again and again. For Java, there are many like regular training programs just for Java for full year running for many companies, because there are many Java projects coming in there. And even like today, there is a big requirement for Java architect. And so just learn basics of Java. It's going to be good for you to be more valuable in the market. So it's good if you know it. So I recommend that you learn it. And also additionally, recently, I think I started the one-on-one also. So those who are interested in one-on-one coaching can also go to thangu.com/TTA and register for one-on-one coaching also, since there are free trainers who are available. And you can join the tech circle group from thangu.com/groups. There are more than 100 members now, and so network is your network. So highly recommend that you join the groups, because you are free to, as of now, you are free to ask questions. So as the number grows, that freedom might be going. So right, take the opportunity, come there, and so when there is any trouble, groups are the place where you can ask question and get the help you need. So you're most welcome to join the group. So thank you. You are an awesome app creator, a developer, and architect, and wish you grand success in your journey. Any queries, feel free to ask in ask@thangu.com. Take care. Wish you success. Bye bye.